There you are. Welcome to Bramblejam Wood. Come on, give them a big wave. Wave, 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 wave. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi there, Finnegan Foxley here at the famous Bramblejam Jelly Factory with 4 special guests that help out here in the factory in a very unusual way. Lolly, Fudge, Burp and Slurp, the Mophounds. Today, we want to share with you the history of these amazing animals and how it was discovered that these adorable Mophounds are a rather special breed of dog whose fur actually changes colour to whatever flavour jelly they eat. I'll let Flap the Owl tell you this story, as he was there when it actually happened.
Thank you, Finn. In the early days of the Bramblejam Jelly Factory, when the kettles were still slightly crooked and the labels occasionally stuck themselves to passing hedgehogs, the Mophounds were known for one thing above all else. They were perfectly, magnificently, a misty grey colour. At first, the Mophounds only guarded the factory at night. However, Wallace the Wizard, the factory owner, gave them only one very strict rule. Strictly no tasting the jelly. And for a very long time, they obeyed, well, very nearly. I'm going to let Wallace the Wizard tell you the rest of the story and let him introduce you to his wonderful Mophounds.
Thank you, Flap, old chap. Welcome to my Bramblejam Jelly Factory. Let me take you inside. Come on. About my adorable Mophounds. It's a magical story. Let me tell you. We have hundreds of magical jelly flavors moving all over the place through our factory, so sometimes we get one unfortunate jelly jam spillage on our shiny floors. On one enchanted evening, a jar of Starfall strawberry rolled gently off a shelf. It didn't smash, its lid simply wobbled open. The scent was simply irresistible. One young Mophound named Slurp saw the delightful red puddle of strawberry jelly and gobbled up that delicious, slightly fizzy puddle. The effect was immediate. Slurp's fur turned bright strawberry red. So, the following day, for science, I conducted a controlled tasting experiment, but this time with some different Mophounds and a different flavour of jam jelly. So we tried a midnight blueberry lantern flavour. Remarkable! Whatever flavour we give them, that's the colour they turned. Go on, give it a taste. Look at you, all green now. Go on, try it. It's working. Look at your fur. You're a striped Mophound now. Looks so yummy. Look at you, all colourful now. So then we made a Mophounds colour flavour chart. A perfect jelly jam colour checker. There are, however, a few small side effects, like changing colour while sneezing or drying off after a bath. They really enjoy all the jelly treats, and they say it tickles a little when they change colour. After much observation, I've made the conclusion the magical Mophounds were born from a mix of stardust and forest moss. The jam jelly was made with stardust and forest berries. Their fur, it seemed, responds to flavour magic, reflecting whatever sweetness they carried inside. It was not a stain, it was not a trick, it was absolute harmony.
And so it was. From that day on, the Mophounds don't merely guard the sweetness of Bramblejam Wood, they wear it quite literally.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and comment.